Hi, I'm Catherine Meckling, and I'm here to introduce you to the REDExtract-N-Amp PCR Kits. REDExtract-N-Amp PCR Ready mix contains an inert dye that acts as a tracking dye and glycerol that allows for direct and convenient loading of PCR amplified DNA onto agarose gels for analysis. The integrated loading dye provides a visual pipetting control along with direct-to-gel loading of samples. The pipetting of a colored solution helps scientists keep track when working with a large number of samples or dealing with distractions in the lab. The integration of the dye speeds up the process by eliminating the extra pipetting step while still being able to track samples on a gel. This also saves on pipette tips. Additionally, the REDExtract-N-Amp PCR Kits offers a novel extraction solution, allowing users to go from crude samples to PCR while eliminating the need for traditional purification methods. The reagent mix includes a specially formulated hot start PCR Ready mix for amplification directly from the extract. From extraction of genomic DNA to PCR to loading onto a gel, REDExtract-N-Amp PCR Ready mix rapidly gets the task done in an all-in-one kit. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave a comment below. To learn more, please visit our website.